Willing jud ko to empty my cup to be a full catch basin. This competition, it is not a battle among these gorgeous ladies.
So may naani mo nganong makaingon man ka nga ikaw ang Miss Iligan.
Actually, I would like to acknowledge lang po my fellow candidates kay kabalo ko kung kinsa may mudaog sa mga ma-represent dyo sa Iligan well on the national stage. As for me po, siguro ang one thing about me is I'm willing to empty my cup. People would think sa kadaghan akong pageants kay daghan na kay kog lessons na puno na kayog mga experiences ana. But ang importante man gud like if mo represent ka sa imong city kay willing ka mo balik from scratch and learn jud ka like baby steps, small steps, one step at a time. Kay dili ra magud imong self imong gina-carry ani. It's a responsibility. I know who I am and I know what I want. That is my strength jud. For me to like be the next Miss Iligan, thankful jud kay ko ana if ako man dili jud na ako i-disappoint ang Iligan and willing jud ko to empty my cup to be a full catch basin. And grateful pud ko kay Miss A and sa kay Juliana kay they always remind us like do not compare yourself to other candidates. Kay mao jud na ang makapahina man gud sa candidate. That is why during this journey na realize jud na ako like I've grown so much compared last year because right now I believe that this competition it is not a battle among these gorgeous ladies but a battle within. And in order for you to win, you must start to win from within.